There's actually a few little other options that we might be able to mention too. I got it all together. But Jennifer, let's go ahead. I'll bring you closer.
Yes.
Let's start with the big deal. It just launched a few days ago.
It did.
It's an incredible large exclusive configuration that you can't find anywhere else. And QVC is going to save you over $100. I'm going to start in order of the way that they're here on the table. This is their Essence. It's a new way to think of toner. It's highly recommended to put this on before you put serums, before you put your moisturizers on, and Jennifer's going to teach us why. Then here in the middle, this is a very large bottle of their anti-aging moisturizer called Water Cream. It's 2.5 ounces. This is not the moisturizer that my 20-year-olds are putting on. This is for my aging skin. It has lifting technology, it has hydrating power, and we're going to teach you about that. And then I know I could use this right now. Even though spring is around the corner, I'm still really experiencing winter weather, and my lips are showing that. This is a wonderful deep lip scrub. It's got this smoothing kind of peach scent to it and flavor to it, but it rids you of all the dead skin on your lips. All of this, because of the sizes, this is a giant jumbo container of the Essence and the Water Cream. Because of the sizes here, this should be $227. It's not. For a limited time, it's all $115. To put this into perspective, Jennifer, the Essence alone should be $110.
Yes.
We're getting everything for $115, and half our quantities are gone. But with this unique show about to happen that teaches you TATCHA skincare and teaches you Mally Color Cosmetics, I want to start with a little bit about TATCHA the brand, because your Essence is different than an American toner. Your Water Cream is different than an American moisturizer, because this is really about celebrating Japanese ritual and the power of Japanese skincare.
That's right. Everything that we have here is inspired by the Japanese women, their beauty secrets that have been used for hundreds of centuries. So we know it's working. Then we take that, we marry it with science, and this is what you get. Things that work, real results, things that love your skin without sulfates, DEA, TEA, any of that. The Essence in particular will increase the hydration in your skin by 620% immediately. And then, Mally, I need you to come out here. Okay.
I want to look.
No, I need you to come here.
Oh, what are we doing?
Yeah, you stand here. Because the other thing that the Essence does is we apply it on clean, dry skin before serums and moisturizers, because it actually creates little channels and pathways for the serums and moisturizers to go to the deeper layers of the skin, making everything more efficacious, no matter what brand you're using. So, let me show you what that means. All right, so get really close.
Right?
So
art school.
this top line represents the top layer of your skin, right? Makes sense? Everything underneath represents the deeper layers of your skin.
Yes.
Now, I'm applying the Essence, which, by the way, it does not have a drop of water in it. It's all superfood. So if you want to apply that on your hands and see what it feels like.
Or like a traditional toner at the drugstore, it's going to be alcohol, it's going to burn, it's going to destroy skin rather than fix skin.
Right. So I've applied the Essence. It's all superfoods. That's fermented. Then what I'm applying next represents your serums, creams, and moisturizers.
Wow, so it is going into the skin.
Yeah, like getting really close. Do you see all the veiny little channels and the waves it's creating underneath the skin?
Wow.
Have you guys ever gotten skincare at home and you felt like it could be doing more work and it's just probably getting stuck on top of your skin?
Yes.
Yep, that's
exactly.
the Essence goes deep. It really saturates and hydrates the skin.
That is, well, I'm not going to act like I don't use it. I'm like, oh, really? Hello.
And why do you like it, Mal?
Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, it's amazing. It's refreshing. It feels incredible. And you know what, to your point, it doesn't feel, it kind of feels like water, but you know it's not. You know that it's more. When you put it on, it really makes a difference.
Everything with TATCHA, it makes it feel like you time, like it's downtime for you. And the claims, the studies, Jennifer, they're really outstanding here.
Yeah, so every single person in this demonstration, measured by a professional, they showed improvement in the look of skin plumpness. We're talking about this being a skin plumper. Improvement in the skin texture, improvement in fine lines, the wrinkles, and this is just using the Essence alone. And I know we touched on it earlier, but it's worth mentioning again, 620% improvement in hydration, 15 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I've ever seen that kind of a grade before. 620%.
I mean, we go
Definitely
big.
not on my own report cards, I can tell you that much. But that's just one item, and we don't have a lot to go around. Fewer than 1,700. It just launched as a big deal a few days ago. Remember, what we're going to learn about next, the Water Cream, the anti-aging moisturizer, and its jumbo size, that alone would be $110. So if it's time to find a great, powerful anti-aging moisturizer, why not get the whole kit where the other two items are about $5?
That's
if you were going to pay $110 alone for this?
For this one. This is the one you're getting. This is jumbo size. This is a standard. So I want you to see how much you're getting.
Double the amount?
Yes. Now, here's the thing. With this water cream, I'm going to show you what the texture looks like up close. I'm going to kind of pile this on top.
And all of TATCHA's creams come with a little spatula.
Right here.
You do not have to use it, but I'm telling you, it really is a different level of skincare the way TATCHA is packaged.
Yes.
And the products inside the bottles.
Do you see how that's kind of wiggling a little bit?
Yes.
Okay, so now if you were to take this under a microscope, you would actually see compacted water balloons enclosed together. What happens is when you take that and apply it to your skin, you're popping the water balloons, you're bursting it. Now what's happening is all the actives, the anti-aging actives in there, the Japanese wild rose, the Japanese leopard lily, it is releasing and getting drenched into your skin. So it's like a fresh dose into your skin, and it's adding that hydration. And I don't know about you, I can literally feel the texture underneath my fingertips.
Well, first of all, the texture is wonderful. I still have very sensitive skin at 45, and when I say sensitive, I mean like I'm prone to breakouts. Anything can make me oily. TATCHA, everything is luxurious. It's a different level. It feels incredible.
Thank you, thank you. And so I can literally see water droplets on my skin, but because my skin's absorbing it, I want you to get in close and look at the back of my phone screen. It's non-porous. This is why I'm doing this here. I'm gonna take this water cream. I'm popping those water balloons. Now take a look.
Oh, there's the water.
Do you see this?
Wow.
You don't get that with any moisturizer.
Isn't that crazy? Yes.
So that's what I mean. That's
truly
that water burst
effective.
technology.
When you see that example, that's what will be happening to your skin.
Yes.
And here's another study in the claim on the water cream.
Yes, so 2 weeks after use, every person agreed that their skin looked and felt smoother, 90% saying that their skin felt hydrated, balanced, and not oily. So that's important because I think oily skin is different than dewy skin and different from hydrated skin, right? So, yes.
Well, busy on the phone lines. And now we're getting even more limited because now we have fewer than 1,500 to go around. And wait, there's more. So there's the large bottle of Essence. That's a larger bottle of the Essence. It's the large bottle of the water cream. But then there's also the Kissu, which is a lip scrub. And it's easy to use, tasty to use, and makes your lips look so much younger.
Yeah, I really love this lip scrub. And at first when my team was like, hey, we're launching this, I'm like, I don't really need it, I'm good. But they were like, no, try it. I actually love it. I feel like that's happened to me so many times and I've been very humbled. Amy has applied this. It's Japanese peach seed and konjac roots that are granulated, ground down. Do you see? 7 seconds, and her lips are so, the color is more beautiful.
Amy,
it's
you needed it
smoother.
too. I don't mean to be mean, babes. Just giving me a thumbs up without trying to laugh. But like, that's what I think everybody's lips look like right now in the before. And if you feel the icky skin, if you see it in the mirror, well then girl, the people around you see it too. So use your lip scrub. And what's nice about this too is I love that you can use the applicator. So many lip scrubs come in a jar or a pot, and then you can stick your finger in it and manually do it. And there's even studies and claims, even on the lip scrub.
Yeah, I mean, we have to put our money where our mouths are, right? So expert creator tests after immediate use and after 1 week, so you get continued results. Every person showed improvement in the rough texture, lip flakiness, lip moisturization, all things we want from a lip scrub, but it's also hydrating as well. You saw Amy's lips, it was smoother, and really just the overall structure and the composition of her lips just looked so much more improved after exfoliating.
I bet a professional makeup artist would love to use Kissu on clients, but not even use it on yourself. Use it like, you know, you're only as good as your client's skin. And so sometimes you might need to use a little TATCHA before putting on foundations, before putting on lip products.
Oh, I gotta tell you, this stuff, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be talking because of my mic is on.
Well,
however, I will tell you this, as a celebrity makeup artist for millions of years, literally, if there are two things, if a client shows up and their lips are busted or their eyebrows are busted, you're in trouble. So I'm going to keep this in my kit and send it to every client a week before because it's magic. It's magic. I can't believe it.
I wonder if a makeup artist have ever said, you're too busted. I can't work on you.
Sorry.
I'm teasing you. I like the language. TATCHA to the rescue. Let me remind everybody about the value though, because I will say this over and over and over again in this hour. Out of all the brands we carry here at QVC, I really do believe TATCHA is on a different level. From the packaging, to the smells, to the feels, to the results. And just that water cream alone. It's an anti-aging water cream. It can fight dry skin, but lines, hydrations, even has lifting power. That alone would be $110. You're getting everything for $115. If you've never tried the Essence, There is another offer coming up in the show with a smaller bottle, but I can tell you right now, once you try it, Mally would agree, you don't ever want to stop using it. So stock up now with the larger pieces and the larger value. That saves you $112, but only for a few days. And if quantities run out before the value disappears, then that's it, we've lost it. Either way, get on the phone lines. Half our quantity's gone, Jennifer.